My name is Ina, Sunshine State Academy, and today we are going to learn letter O. Look, this is letter O, uppercase O and lowercase o. Children, can you show me letter O with your fingers like this? Look, O, this is letter O. And right now, children, we have to remember the words that begin with letter O. Look, what is this? This is orange. O is for orange. Next one, look, this is octopus. Letter O is for octopus. Next one I'm going to show you. What shape is this? Do you remember? This is oval. O is for oval. And I'm going to show you another word that begin with letter O. What number? Number 1. Number 1. O is for number 1. Okay, children. And the last word that begin with letter O. Look. What is this? This is owl. Owl begins with letter O. O is for owl. And today, children, we are going to make our owl. Look, you have to prepare and cut out from the construction paper letter O, brown color you have to use, and triangles, 3 triangles, 2 yellow circles, and feet for our owl from yellow construction paper. And you have to use 2 wiggle eyes. And at first you have to take letter O, put glue on the letter O. You have to put glue and put letter O in the middle of our sheet. And next you have to use the big orange triangle and glue it like a head for our owl. Look. Next, we are going to use 2 yellow circles. These are eyes for our owl. And put it on the head of our owl. Next one, use big wiggle eyes. One eye we put here, and another one we are going to put on the top of another yellow circle like this, you see? And then use another orange triangle. These are wings for our owl. From one side we are going to put, and we are going to put from another side like this. These are wings for our owl. And last one, put feet, yellow feet for our owl. And at the end, children, let's remember what letter we use for our owl. Letter O, uppercase O and lowercase. Do you like this one? Try. Bye-bye.